Dear students, our today's topic is solving natural logarithmic equations. We have solved logarithmic equations previously, but the base was not equal to e. But in our today's session, we will be solving logarithmic equations where the base will be equal to e. That means we will be solving natural logarithmic equations. So without any further delay, let us start with our today's session, and we will be solving 3 questions in our today's session. The first question is, solve for x where 6 times ln of 2 minus ln of 4 is equal to negative ln of x. We have to find the value of x. So first thing that we will be doing, obviously we have to combine these two terms. But we are seeing that there is a coefficient of 6 which is not equal to 1. And in order to combine logarithmic terms, we know that the coefficient should be equal to 1. So we have to take this 6 and make it the power of the argument. So that will be our first step. It is ln of 2 to the power of 6 minus ln of 4 plus ln of x is equal to 0. We have added ln of x to both the sides so that the right hand side becomes negative ln of x plus ln of x, which is equal to 0. Okay? And 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 64. So we have ln of 64 minus ln of 4 plus ln of 6 is equal to 0. And we can combine all these three terms and get a single term. I have done it in 2 steps. First of all, I have combined these two. Since we have a minus sign in between, it will be ln of 64 over 4. Mind you, this is not ln of 64 divided by ln of 4. It is ln of 64 divided by 4. Okay? Plus ln of x equal to 0. I have seen many students getting confused in this step. Instead of writing, they do actually the opposite. If in any question they have ln of 64 they divided by ln of 4, they just make it as ln of 64 over 4. Both are not the same. Ln of 64 minus ln of 4 is ln of 64 divided by 4. Whereas ln of 64 divided by ln of 4 is definitely not equal to ln of 64 minus ln of 4. Okay? And 64 divided by 4 is 16, and there is a plus sign in between, so the arguments will get multiplied. We have ln of 16 times x is equal to 0. And how can we write? The base is e, so we can write 16x equal to e to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. So 16x will be equal to 1. We can do that way. We can get the value of x in that manner. Or else, what do we do? Instead of 0, we know logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. So instead of 0, we write this as ln of 1. And now we can equate the arguments. We get the same thing. 16x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 over 16. This is our answer. Coming to the question number 2. Solve for x where ln of x to the power of 3 plus ln of square root of x equal to 8. And if you are solving a logarithmic equation and if you are having a radical sign, please change it to exponential form. Because we know how to convert, to make the coefficient the power and how to get the power down and make it the coefficient, but we do not know how to deal with radicals when we are taking logarithmic terms. So whenever you have a radical sign in a logarithmic equation, change it to its corresponding exponential form. Okay? So we write this as ln of x to the power of 3 plus ln of x to the power of half, because it is the square root, equal to 8. And now since the coefficients of this term and this term, both of them are equal to 1, we can combine them safely and it becomes ln of x to the power of 3 times x to the power of half equal to 8. Now following the laws of indices, the multiplication law, the base is the same, so we can add the powers. It will be ln of x to the power of 3 plus half equal to 8. 3 plus half is 3.5 or 7 over 2. So it will be ln of 7 over 2 is equal to 8, and we can bring down this power. That is what I was saying, that when you want, you can bring down the power and make it the coefficient. If you have the coefficient, you can transfer it to the power part. So if in case you have a radical sign, change it to its corresponding exponential form. Okay. So this becomes 7 over 2 times ln of x is equal to 8. And if we divide both sides by 7 over 2, we get ln of x is equal to 8 times 2 over 7. Because 8 is getting divided by 7 over 2, so it becomes 8 times 2 over 7, which is equal to 16 over 7. Therefore, x is equal to e to the power of 16 over 7, which is approximately equal to 9.83 up to 3 significant figures. So now we come to the question number 3, which is solve for x. ln of x equal to 16 over ln of x. Now, apparently, this question is a very simple question, but I have seen many students getting confused. So that is why I have taken up this question, this equation. ln of x equal to 16 over ln of x, and if we multiply both sides by ln of x, what do we get? We get ln of x times ln of x is equal to 16. Now, here comes the confusing part. What is this equal to? Majority of the students write this to be equal to ln of x squared, because x is getting multiplied with another x, so it is x squared. But is x getting multiplied with another x? Of course, x times x is x squared, but it is not that x is getting multiplied with another x. Few students also write 2x, which is just absurd. Even x squared is absurd. They are just changing the argument from x to x squared. What are getting multiplied? ln of x is getting multiplied with another ln of x. X is a variable. It will be having some value. That is a number. And ln of some number will be another number. Positive or negative, we do not know, but it will be a number. And that number is getting multiplied with the same number, with itself. So it is basically that number squared. And what is that number? It is ln of x. So this is equal to ln of x whole squared, not just ln of x squared. ln of x squared is ln of x whole squared is equal to 16. And if you still do not know, if you are still confused that how to get to x, substitute. Whenever you have some difficulty, some confusion, substitute. Let ln of x be equal to a. So this equation becomes a square equal to 16. And this is our familiar equation. We know how to get the value of a. We will be square rooting. We will be taking the square root of both the sides, and we will be getting the a value as plus 4 or minus 4. So when a is equal to plus 4, then ln of x equal to plus 4, which gives us the x value as e to the power of 4, which is roughly equal to 54.6 up to 3 significant figures. And when e is equal to negative 4, ln of x is equal to negative 4, or x is equal to e to the power of negative 4, which is roughly equal to 0.0183 up to 3 significant figures, or 4 decimal places. Okay? So this is how you solve natural logarithmic equations. You may visit my other logarithmic equation solving video sessions. You may watch those as well, because the method is exactly the same. Over there, the base is something else. It may be 10, it may be some other number. Here, the base is e. That is the only difference. Because the base is some other number, we have used the word log in place of ln. That is the only difference, but the method is exactly the same. You will be having some more practice. Okay? So students, this was all for this session, and I am Nilanjana Sanyal, and this is my YouTube channel, NS Online Math Classes. Please do like and share this video if you find this video helpful, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me to make more math videos to help you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.